Alright, I think it's time for a change. Whoops. Right, let's start. Okay, this actually comes with one of these, but I guess that's good to have two. USB-C cable. It's braided as well, so it's not bad. Well, I mean, it doesn't look bad. These are the instructions. First, I need to foam mod this. So I'm going to unscrew all of the screws. Try here, 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 and here, and here. That's a lot of screws. That's one. Two. These screws are really hard to get out, huh? Three. That screw is a pain. Oh, so is this one. Okay. Oh. Yeah, let's just do a transition. Right, that's all the screws out. Now I can figure out how to take this apart. This is interesting. Ah, there we go. Okay. There we go. It's a hot swap PCB. I think it's 7, no. I think it's, I'm not sure what percent this is. It's a 68 keys. Right, now we need to foam mod it. So let me get some foam. I couldn't find much, but I'll just cut these into pieces and put them in here. So let's move the PCB out of the way. One piece in and a few more to go. After getting the foam in, I can put this back on. This is strange. Oh. Right, time to screw it back on now. I got all the screws in off camera because it'll just take way too long. But first I want to test that this actually works, like the RGB. Oh. It's very bright. Oh, whoops. Yeah, actually it's fine. I'm pretty sure it works. Now we've got to take out the stabs and lube those. I've got some Krytox for like the housings of the stabilizers, and then I'll use that cheap one for the metal part. Alright. These stabilizers don't seem to want to come out. Huh. Okay, that took ages, but I undid the stabilizers from its plate. When I saw the product photo, I'm pretty sure there should be a piece of foam in between. Oh, there is. Oh, good. Alright, these are like rattliers. Oh. Well, they've already been lubed, but barely. So I will lube them properly. I should get some paper. Here we go. Right, now I have to lube these. Oh, great. Get my brush. Still some on the lid, okay, nice. Don't think you can see it. Now the stabilizer. Alright. So that's that one done. Should I clip them? Nah. Right, now I have loads left to go. After that really long time of lubing the switches, I mean not switches, stabilizers, you now need to put these together. But first I need to put some of this cheap stuff on the stabilizers. Alright. That's one pair. Oh, whoops. This one doesn't. What on earth? Okay, this is in properly. Huh. Okay, this stabilizer just doesn't want to go in. Oh wow. Hold on, now my hands are clean. So let's just close this up. Put it to the side. Clean this brush. Put that away. And now I need to put the stabilizers in. Great. Let's first do the spacebar, which I'm not sure how it goes in. Oh, there. There we go. Okay, these aren't that hard. There. Oh, my hands all sticky and stuff. Not sticky, slippery. It's annoying. After that, we can put in our switches now. We've got novelty creams. I put in this box because I didn't want it in its normal container. Now I need to put all of these in. Because this is a north facing, and my knockoff 3MK, it will, what? I had no idea what on earth I was saying. But because these are north facing, I'm using Cherry MX profile keycaps. It will cause an interference, which is not very nice. These keycaps, not keycaps, these switches are having a hard time getting in. It's quite annoying. Oh. Just before I do anything, I'm first going to test these stabs. So here is our knockoff keycaps. Not bad. I'm going to be needing this space bar, this key, this key. There we go. Put these away for now. Put the space bar on. Okay, that sounds decently rattly. These aren't trash. That's what I would say. That sounds like garbage. And that one sounds good. I just realised I don't need this shift key because it's a different one. Well, that's a bummer. Now I've just got to put in all the other switches, which I should probably just do off camera. Right, so I had just enough switches and I have 3 left, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these 3. But it already looks great so far, even without the keycaps. And here are the keycaps. These are just knockoff GMK Darling keycaps. I can't actually afford the real thing. Nice. The colour already goes so well with the case, because like just looking at the spacebar, it just matches so well, which is really good. Alright, I'll just do the best. I got most of the keycaps on. The rest are special ones. Quite annoying. So I have another thing. So we've got the arrow keys. These ones are quite hard to get on. Feels like I'm just breaking stuff. Next, what keys are these? Delete, page up, page down. I don't really have a delete key. Okay, skip that. With Alt here. Control here. And a function key, good. For the delete key, I'll just use this, it looks similar enough. For page up, I could use these. These don't look too bad for page up, page down. These look so dodgy because the profiles are much higher and stuff. Oh my god. I use this. There we go. And for the ESC key, I'm gonna use this one. This one looks nice. And now the last key is a really strange shift key. Perfect. This looks absolutely great. Let's plug it in now. Oh my god, so cool. It's all red. On camera it shows it's flickering, but it's not actually flickering. I can see it just fine. Side RGB. Some back here, I don't know how to show it. There. That looks so cool. Anyway, well, that is the 02 keyboard budget edition. I'll do a sound test right after this.